Just been to the HH factory in China to see our boat in build. What an amazing trip. Lots of decisions and lots of learning. Super well looked after by the team there too. Forward cabin, obviously the battery tech space accessible from here. So that's all HH down that building there, and all the way down to the end is all HH on this side as well. So that's one of the sheds full of boats. And there's the big oven part too, the spray booth. And then there's another huge shed full of boats in there, and then there's another shed. That's the factory we just walked through. One of the factories, and then there's two others over there. Well, that's boats are in there, and then I think our boat's in that one over there. If you stand out on the side, you'll be looking down about there. You can still see across. And if you're standing, you can go in as far as about here. And that'll be steering wheel there. Then you'll be looking out the front windows. These are the rudders that we're getting. That's a 5202 rudder. That's the hotel being stayed at. I've just gone for a quick walk out the door. Serious preparation with the fans.